In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate Payslip in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to get Payslips out to your team quickly and confidently. Start on your Xero dashboard and head to the payroll area. This is your home base for anything related to pay runs, employee pay details, and payslips. If you don't see payroll in your menu, check that your user role includes payroll access. It's also a good idea to make sure your employee records have valid email addresses before you begin, since that's where their payslips will be delivered. Inside payroll, go to Pay Employees. This section shows your pay runs, typically grouped by pay calendar and pay period. You'll see the pay date, the status, and the amount. Take a quick moment to confirm you're working on the correct period and that the totals look as expected. Generating and emailing payslips is tied to a specific pay run, so accuracy here matters. Now, select the transaction you want to use, the pay run you're sending payslips for. Opening the pay run gives you a clear view of who's included and what each person is being paid. If you've already reviewed hours, salary amounts, and any deductions or reimbursements, you're in great shape. If anything looks off, address it within the pay run before continuing, because payslips will reflect exactly what's shown here. When you're ready, choose Email Payslips. This action prepares the payslips for the employees in the selected pay run and brings up the email send options. Xero typically applies your default payroll email template, so your subject and message are ready to take a second to make sure everything looks correct, and that the list of recipients includes only the people who should receive a payslip for this run. To finish, click Email Payslips again to confirm and send. Xero will process the request and show a confirmation message once those emails are on their way. Employees will receive their payslip securely at the address saved in their profile, and they can also view it through their employee portal or app if that's part of your setup. If someone reports not receiving a payslip, verify their email address in their employee record and ask them to check spam or junk folders. That's it. You navigated to payroll, opened Pay Employees, selected the correct pay run, and used email payslips to send them out. Keep this flow in mind each pay period, and you'll have consistent, timely payslip delivery without any extra steps. Thanks for watching, and happy payroll processing.